Okay, so I got this beautiful sleeping, funny sleeping mask. Okay, face mask. You can use it to cover your eyes, and it has a lot of interesting words on it. These eye masks are really soft, and they can help you, like if you have puffy eye and swelling, and also help improve your sleep when you need to get that rest. And it's really cushiony. It has like padding inside, and it also has adjustable strap so that you can adjust it to fit the size of your head. And I'm just going to put it on. You can see how easy it is to put on, and it really darkens everywhere. And I like how it has such a nice silk material on it. It makes it very elegant, and the silk material is very nice for your face. It keeps my eyes really nice and soft while I'm sleeping, and I absolutely love this.